this market will make you so much, will equip you so much. So I was talking to the queen last night, and she was like, Trap, you know, my mom's passed, and I ain't gonna say the number. She was like, my mom's left me this, I have this left, and I truly want this to work for me because this is the best opportunity. And I was like, listen, I don't want you to blow that money. What I want you to do is sit back, I want you to take in the information, and I want you to learn, because this is the market that it'll make you blow your account if you don't know what you're doing, or this is the market where you can find a pocket where you belong. This is the market that's going to build up that financial fortitude. And in order to win this game, you got to build that financial fortitude up so you don't become the dumb money. I want you to be smart money. This is the opportunity. So my leap option people, y'all know that's what we do. What I want you to understand is there's some points, like people know, like in my Patreon group, I was like, yo, check this out, y'all. I was like, look, I got into play. I was super early on it. And I said, like, sometimes being early is the same as being wrong. I was like, yo, I took this L, right? And some of the people in the group was like, man, I ain't taking that L, Trap. You tripping, dog. I'm like, I ain't tripping. Like, we done hit on like maybe 6 or 7 of the last plays, right? So I'm like, I'll take this L. You know, we up 250 for the year. I had to take a $60,000 L. I'm like, I ain't tripping. I'll take that L to reposition myself. And I want you to understand that in this game, taking the L can do 2 things. It can discourage you, or it can make you get emotional. You got to pick the third thing to let the L be a lesson. So once you take an L, the next 2 plays that you make are extremely important. Because if you can truly get in the habit of revenging that L. Come on, man. Goddamn. And I'm speaking from like real talk right here. So if I ever take an L, here's what I do. I'll put a play up and I'll be like, yep, I'm gonna hit it, and then I don't do it so I can get that out my system. Right? Because it's a natural inclination to won't get your lick back. What, you took 60 from me? Nah, fam, I need that. You tripping. I'm up 250 this year. You done took 60 from me? Nah, fam, I need that. So I'm emotionally, I gotta keep reminding myself, Trap, that money gone. We on to the next. We on to the next. We gonna reposition. We gonna keep watching the market. We not gonna deter from our playbook. Y'all with me here? Like I'm not here to make myself look like I'm the GOAT. I'm here to help you learn. Some people need leadership. Some people need coaching. Some people need mentorship. I want to help you on whatever level you want. Everybody needs something different, but if I give you a blueprint, then you decide what you need. So for me, I'm telling you that once you take an L, that is the most pivotal time for you. You ever seen a boxer get knocked down and he pop back up? But when he pop back up and he go fight back in, he get put right back down? You ever seen that before? Because emotionally, he ain't settled yet. Emotionally, in his mind, I got to get my leg back. You've seen some boxers, when they get knocked down, they'll take the whole 8 count. They sit down, they take the whole 8 count, they breathe, they be like, I'm good, bet. They catch their breath, they get back in. You won't see the damage. That L is going to either make you get emotional, it's going to make you try to get revenge, or you going to take the lesson from it. I want you to take the lesson from it. Because once your heart start beating fast, and you looking at the market all crazy, now you telling me, Trap, where the next play at? No, fam, don't leave me alone. Don't put that pressure on me. So I want us to do that. Can we? So all my traders, I want you to put that in there. The L don't mean you're not good, and the L start making you doubt yourself. Now that's important because once you start doubting yourself, now you can't even pull a trigger the same. You with me? I don't want you to let the doubt get in, because I've had people DM me, not even rock with me. They're like, say, Trap, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, man, I done lost 50K, I done lost 100K, bro. Like, I don't even know if this game for me. I'm like, all right, break down your process for me. Like, man, I don't really got no process. How you gonna say the game ain't for you? You ain't got a process. You out here just guessing. Of course it ain't for you. You can't never pass a test. You're not gonna consistently pass a test that you ain't studied for. Now, some of us get lucky. I done woke up one day and be like, I ain't studying for that test. I done passed it by the skin of my teeth, but that's not a winning philosophy.
What's good, trappers, man? It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Right now, I want to invite you to an amazing experience full of value. That is my community, Trappers Anonymous. It's 100% the greatest fundamental investing community on the market. Listen, your portfolio should be a masterpiece. And the only way we get you there is if we help you to learn how to invest with confidence. Now listen, I get it. Like, you don't know a lot about stocks, or maybe you've heard people say how much money they lost in stocks, but I can guarantee you, one, because they weren't in the community, and two, they lack the information. Our goal in Trappers Anonymous is to help you, really to hold your hand on the journey to becoming a confident investor, learning how to navigate through the different events that the stock market goes through to take you from panic to encouragement. There's no better time than now. This is an opportunity only for those who are willing to be on the journey. So listen, man, click the link below. Come join me in Trappers Anonymous, man. I will see you in one of our many classes, whether it's Moat Monday, whether it's the 2-hour class we do on Sunday, or whether it's just a book club. Everything is geared toward making you a better investor so you can triple your net worth and turn your last name to an asset. It's your boy, Wall Street Trapper. See you in the trap.
All right, here's the recession portfolio. Y'all know each and every week, man, I make it a priority to show y'all exactly what we doing, and I make it a priority to show you L's. Like, that don't matter to me. We done won, made more than we lost, but we still good. So, Dave, let's get it to him. Boom. So the first play is, I'm in this OIH play right now. The oil industry kind of like making me mad right now. And it's making me mad for a reason. So normally in my playbook, when oil prices and when Saudi Arabia start talking, the oil energy start to go crazy. Now here's the thing that kind of got me off is energy is actually the only sector that's up right now. But energy and oil, which are first cousins, the stocks are not moving in the same way. They moving, but they not like pushing. I still good in it. I think we'll have it till April. I think we'll be all right. I ain't really tripping on it, but we'll be all right. Let's go a little further, Dave. All right, here's I think 2 of the stocks not on here because I didn't get it, but we got TPH and another VRTX. All of them are up except for SAIA. Lockheed Martin finally minus 100. Y'all know I'm getting rid of Crocs. I keep telling y'all that. It's making me mad for some reason. Like, I don't know. I think I know what's going on. I finally realized it today. We'll talk about it. But as you can see, we still up 19%. I think right now the S&P is probably only up like 11% right now. So we still up like 7%. So we still beating the market, which I love. One of the things I was talking to Peter too, and we talked about this from last year, and I wanted to show him this too. I wish you would. So last year, 90% of Wall Street lost money. 90%. And so this is what I want to talk to y'all about. So 90% of Wall Street lost money last year. We beat the market by 16% last year. And so this is what I mean by put your hedge fund cap on. And this is what I mean by looking at the market this year. So investors lost money last year. So I want you to put your hedge fund cap on. If you lost money last year, you're like, all right, everybody lost money last year, I'm not tripping. But this year was kind of different. So this year you had multiple opportunities to make money, right? So as a hedge fund investor, and this was Peter's philosophy to me that made so much sense. As a hedge fund investor, let's say I got $100 million and I got it invested with you. I saw all the opportunities with AI and all these other things to make money and to beat the market. And if you're still not beating the market, then there's a good chance I'm gonna take my money from with you, right? All right, let's back up a little bit. All right. Start over, Jose. I'm gonna start over a little bit. All right. So if I lost money last year with you because everybody lost money, I'm like, all right, bet we lost money. Unless you was Wall Street Trapper, shameless plug. Let me put this on right quick. That boy is good. I'm gonna put that in right quick in case you was, yeah, no. But if you lost money last year, you just took that. You took that L. But this year, you like, yo, there's no way you're supposed to lose money with NVIDIA up 100 and some percent, almost 200%, Facebook up 100 and some percent, Tesla up all these, like there's no way you're supposed to lose money. Like last year, technology was down 33%, the S&P was down so much. There's no way you're supposed to lose that much money. So I want you to switch it and tell me why you're losing money this year. And if you can't explain that, then I'm gonna take my money somewhere else. So here's my synopsis from talking with Peter. So what hedge funds are gonna do is, coming into October, November, and December, because there's so many catalysts on the table that the market could go down, most hedge funds will now try to lock in their profits. Y'all with me? So in order to lock in them profits, they're gonna start selling. You with me? If they start selling, that means the market is going to go down. But if the market is going down, they can say, yo, we've locked in this much profit. We still can finish the year good, and then we'll have a lot of money on the sideline. Am I making sense? If I got money on the sideline, then you're not losing money, and I'm also making you money. So as somebody with $100 million, I will say, first of all, I don't got $100 million. Stop believing what them people say on Google. Somebody hit me the other day and said, Trap, I Googled you, and they say your net worth is $100 million. I say, first of all, why are you Googling my net worth, dog? Let's just start right there, bro. Second of all, don't believe that, bro. Third of all, security. He tripping. And so that I think truly, when Peter told me that made so much sense to me, because this is now explaining what's going on. So they trying to lock in profits right now. And so October, there's this fear of the market repeating it. We got Fed increasing interest rates. You got a stronger dollar. And now the market is figuring out, and he didn't say this, but I remember this, because bonds are now, the 2-year is now at 5%. It made sense to me why Warren Buffett is spending $50 billion a month buying 60-day and 30-day bonds, because he can make $50 million on it because it's 5%. So now the safest place is to be where? And not the what? Am I making sense? So now what the wealthy are doing now is saying, yo, because bonds are at 5%, I can make more money from being in bonds, and I can take the risk off the table. So, boom, newsflash. How do we play the game? Well, shoot, let me go get the 5% too. Somebody gonna say, Trap, how do I do it? How do I go that? USTreasury.org. You can go get 2-year bonds and get 5%. Whatever your money is, you get 5% on your money, you still getting a return. Yep, you gotta pay taxes on it, but it's almost better than being in the market right now. Why? Because 5% is better than what? Losing money. So Warren Buffett now has increased his cash is now at $190 billion, because he's getting $50 million every 60 days of free money. So what the big boys are doing is saying, let's go get the 5%. Watch this. Let's sell the stocks, get the cash, put the money in the bonds for 30 to 60 days, and I can show my people I'm still making money. Goddamn, Jose, I just flamed their ass. I just flamed their ass.